Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock the Gallery app on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now there are two methods to lock the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. For the first method, just open Gallery, and from here just select the photos and videos which you want to hide. For an example, I will select these photos and videos. Now after you select your photos and videos, then tap on More. Select Move to Album and tap on Create. Now just create a name for your album. For an example, I will name it My Album. After you create a name for your album, then tap on Create. Now if you go to the album section, you will find the album which we have created. Now the next step is to tap on Menu, then go to Settings. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of About Gallery. Just tap on it, and from here just tap on the Gallery version a few times until you enable Gallery Labs. After you enable Gallery Labs on your Samsung phone, then go back and tap on Gallery Labs. And on this page, you will find the option of Album Entry Locks. Just enable this option and select OK. After you enable Album Entry Locks on your Samsung phone, then go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. After your smartphone finishes restarting, then open Gallery. Then go to the Album section and tap and hold on the album which you want to lock. Then tap on More, and from here you will find the option of Lock Album. Just tap on it, and once you do that, you will lock the selected album on your Samsung phone. Now if you tap on the album which we have locked, it will ask you to create a pin. Now let's create a pin. Then tap on Continue. Now just enter your pin one more time to confirm your pin and select OK. And as you can see, to open the folder, just enter the pin which we have created and tap on OK. And as you can see, we have successfully locked the selected album. Just like that. The second method is if you want to lock the Gallery app itself. For that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Get Started. Now just create a 6-digit PIN. Then tap on Create. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. And tap on Save. Tap on Understood. Then tap on Let's Do It. From here, just enable the toggle for App Lock Pro. Then tap on Permit and Continue. Select Allow. And tap on Permit and Continue. Then enable this toggle. Tap on OK. Now under the Unlocked section, you will find all the apps on your smartphone. Now to lock the Gallery app, in this app list, just look for the Gallery app. Just like that. Now to lock it, just tap on the lock icon in front of the Gallery app. Just like that. And if you tap on Locked, you will find the apps which we have locked. In our case, we have locked the Samsung Gallery and the Google Photos. And if we go to the home screen and open the Gallery app, as you can see, it is asking us to enter the PIN. Just like that. And this is how you can lock the Gallery app on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.